Hello children, welcome back to our EVS class. Today we continue chapter 2, My Family. In the last class we discussed about what is family. What is family? Father, mother and children make a family. And we learned about different types of family. Which are the different types of family that we learned? We learned about nuclear family, we learned about joint family, and we learned about single parent family. What is the specialty of a nuclear family? In a nuclear family, there are father, mother and one or two children. And in a joint family, there may be grandparents, your father, mother, you and your siblings, and your uncles and aunties also will be there in joint family, and sometimes your cousins also will be there. Now what about a single parent family? In a single parent family, there will be only one parent and one or two kids. Then we also said that family members love and care for each other. They support each other and they help each other. They spend time with each other. We also learned about family tree. What do you mean by a family tree? Family tree is the pictorial representation of different family members in a family. We also learned that each family member will have a common family name that is also known as a surname. So these were the points that we discussed in our last class. Coming to today's class, we are going to learn about how can we take care of our family members. So have a look on the slide. Caring for the family. You can see two pictures here. What is the first picture showing? You can see that the family members are having a meal together. They are eating together. Now in the second picture also you can see that they are having a meal together. So what is the specialty of family? The family members, they eat at least one meal together. You can see that they are eating food at least one meal together. They stay together and spend time with each other. So since they are together eating the food, you can see that they are spending time together, and they can also go out for picnics, movies, family functions and walks. So when we are with our family members, normally we are together. We go out for picnics, movies and we go out for walks together. So always we try to spend the time together. They also help and support each other. So when we are with our family members, we always take care of each other. We help our parents in doing the cleaning activities at home. We also take care of our younger brothers and sisters, helping them in their studies and doing many things at home. So wherever there is a family, they help and support each other. So have a look on the slide. The family members care for each other. They also support each other. You can see two pictures. In the first picture, you can see that a father is reading a story to his child. So the father is taking care of the child by spending time with him by reading the story. Your parents also will do the same to you, isn't it? Now in the second picture you can see that a boy has fell down and his sister is lifting him up. So she is supporting him to get up. So whenever we are in our family, we always take care of our family members and we support and help them each other. We always like to spend time together with our family. Now please take your textbook. We are going to see the textual portion. Please take page 201. So let us recite a poem that Rahul wrote. So Rahul is a boy which you had got familiarized in our last class. So you learned about a story with respect to a squirrel which he got from his garden, isn't it? Don't you remember that? So there is a poem related to family. So I will read the poem, I will recite it, you also try to recite it along with me, okay? A family. In a family, do you know what is same? Yes, you guessed it right. It is our last name. In a family, for each other we always care, and come what may, our joys and sorrows we share. We laugh, we cry and also play, but all the time together we stay. So what did you understand in this poem? This poem is about being together in a family. So we know that we all have a family name, like we discussed in the last class. So that is known as our surname or family name. So all the family members have got a common family name and we are known by that family name. And we always love and care for each other. We always share our joys and sorrows. And we laugh, we cry, and we also play together. And we always stay together. So in a family, we always be close to each other by staying together. So that's about the meaning of this poem. Now we are going to discuss about what is happening in Rahul's family. So just recall how many members were there in Rahul's family. It was a small family. What is the other name for small family? We call it as a nuclear family. So in a nuclear family, just recall who all are there. There is the father, mother, and 1 or 2 children. So Rahul's family also consists of his father, mother, and himself as well as his sister. So just have a look on the textbook. Rahul's family is a happy family. They eat at least one meal together. So in the textbook you can see the picture. Rahul, his parents and his sister, they are eating a meal together. So we always have a meal together in a family. And it is mentioned that his family is a happy family. So they are always happy. They stay together and spend time playing with each other. You can see in the second picture. In the second picture that they are playing caroms. What game they are playing? They are playing caroms. So we can play chess, caroms, monopoly. So many games are there. So different games we can play with our family members and we can enjoy during our leisure time. Now let's go to the next page, page 202. We are speaking about Rahul's family. So sometimes they all go out for a walk together. In the picture you can see that Rahul's parents, he and his sister, they are going for a walk out together. So we also can go for walks with our family members. Now all the family members help each other at home. His father helps his mother in the kitchen. See the picture? You can see that Rahul's father and mother, they are doing cooking together. So his father is helping his mother in the kitchen. Does your father help your mother in the kitchen? Yes, your fathers help your mothers in the kitchen. Do you help your mothers? You also help, isn't it? Okay. So in a happy family, they support each other. They help each other. Even in cooking or in cleaning, we all do these activities together. Now see the next picture. You can see that there is a girl. Who is that girl? That is Rahul's sister Reema. Reema and her father help in washing the dishes after meal. So after having food, we know that we have to wash the plates and glasses and all. So Reema and her father, they are helping the mother in washing the dishes after the meals. You can see in the picture, they are doing the activity. Now, what do you see in the second picture? You can see that Rahul is making his own bed after waking up in the morning. So you also can do like it at your homes. You can help your mothers by washing the dishes and you can also make your own bed yourself. Okay, so after waking up in the morning, you need to make your bed and fold the bed sheets and things like that. Okay, so in Rahul's family, they are all very happy because they love and care each other, they support each other, they help each other. So all activities they are doing together. Now see page 203. What you can see in the picture? You can see that Rahul's sister Reema is helping in folding the clothes and arranging the cupboard. Do you do that? You also can do it, isn't it? So you can also fold the clothes and arrange it in the cupboard. And likewise you can help your mummy, isn't it? Now what do you see in the second picture? You can see that Rahul helps in cleaning the house. So Rahul is helping his mother in cleaning the house. So whenever we are in a family, we need to do all the works together. So you can help your parents by doing helping in the cleaning process. You can help in folding clothes and you can help in the arrangement of the house. So we were learning about Rahul's family. What type of family is he in? Is he living? He is living in a small family. What is the name of another name of small family? It is nuclear family. Who all are there in the nuclear family? Father, mother and 1 or 2 children. Now in Rahul's family, who all are there? Rahul, his sister Reema and his parents. So they spend time together, they do the works together, they support each other and their family is a happy family. So as children, you also should try to make your family more happy by helping and supporting each other. Okay. Now have you heard about the term Raksha Bandhan? Yes or no? Some of you might have heard. You can see advertisements and certain movies related to this. In certain Hindi movies you can see Raksha Bandhan. So it is a festival that celebrates the bond of love between brothers and sisters. So Raksha Bandhan is a festival that celebrates the bond of love between brothers and sisters. So during this Raksha Bandhan, sisters tie a rakhi on their brothers' hands, in their brothers' hands. On their wrist they tie this rakhi. Rakhi means it's a string, a colorful string which is tied on the hands of the brother. So they express their love towards their brother by tying this, and they pray for the well-being of their brothers. So normally in North India we see this festival being celebrated. In Kerala also some people celebrate this. Okay, so that is about Raksha Bandhan. Now there is a exercise in your textbook, let us try, that you can do as a homework. You can just mark it and during our live session we will discuss it. Okay, please have a look on the slide. There are some new words. These new words you need to write in your notebook. So the new words are family, nuclear family, joint family, single parent family, family tree, family name or surname, siblings, sorrow, pictorial and joy. There are 10 words. These words you need to write in your notebook and you need to write and study these spellings in your rough book. Now here are the question answers which you have to write it down in your notebook. So first question is, do animals have their own families? How do they take care of each other? Answer is yes, animals do have families. They take care of each other by being together. Second question, mention one special quality about 2 members of your family. Here I have written the answer. You can, if you know another answer, you can write it yourself. What I have written is, I am going to read. My mother helps me with my homework. My father takes me out and buys me things that I need. Now coming to the third question, what is a single parent family? Answer, a single parent family consists of only one parent, either father or mother, with 1 or more kids. So there are 3 question answers in this slide. All these answers you have to copy down in your notebook. And remember, you have to write in good handwriting, and also after each answer please leave 1 line to make it look more neat and tidy. Okay. Now the second set of question answers. Fourth one, write about an incident when you helped any of your family members. Answer, what I have written here I am going to recite. If you know other answers or if you want to write by yourself, you can do that. I can help my mother in cleaning activities. I also try to take care of my younger brother and sister. Now fifth question, what would you do to make a sick family member feel better? Answer is, I would take care for my sick brother by helping him to have food, water and medicines. I would be near him in knowing his needs and will not disturb him. This answer also you can write it yourself if you know. Some other answers you can just add. What I have written I am just reading. Sixth question, who is the head of your family? So in a small family or in a nuclear family we can write, my father is the head of my family. What about in a joint family? Joint family, it may be the grandfather or grandmother. So according to your family situation, you can write these answers. So that's all about the question answers which you have to copy down in your notebook. You have to learn these answers. You have to write and study it also. Okay. So we discussed about my family, how to care about our family members. Now I ask you one question. Who are your siblings? What do you mean by siblings? Yes, our brothers and sisters are known as our siblings. So by that we wind up this lesson, chapter 2, My Family. Please do have a revision of the lesson and also read aloud the textual part 5 times. You need to read it aloud and practice the reading. Okay, during our live session we will have more interaction. So that's all for today's class. See you again after a week with another lesson. You have your exams next week, so do revise well chapter 1 and chapter 2. So study well. All the best for your exams. So that's all. Bye.